Hi everyone!
Welcome to our grammar series, 文法 workshop.
In 文法 workshop, we will focus on one grammar point per session.
We'll provide example sentences to help you understand different usages and how to use them depending on the situation. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be the first to know when we release the new content.
Today's session is about the conditional pattern, 何々ば.
This is one of the classic ways to say if in Japanese, and it often carries a feeling of a general, natural, or logical condition.
That's right. While 何々たら is great for specific situations, and 何々なら is for context, 何々ば often sounds a bit more formal and is used for general truth or necessary conditions. You'll see it a lot in proverbs, instructions, and logical statements.
How do we convert words to the ba form?
The formation is a bit different for each word type. For verbs, change the final u sound to the e sound and add ba. 行く becomes
行けば、
食べる.
食べれば.
For e adjectives, remove the final e and add ければ. 高い becomes
高ければ、
良い.
良ければ.
For noun adjectives and nouns, add であれば. 元気 becomes
元気であれば、
学生.
学生であれば.
Great! Now let's look at the main usages of 何々ば. Firstly, the suffix ば is used to form conditional and hypothetical sentences. For example, 週末雨が降れば試合は中止になる.
If it rains on the weekend, the match will be cancelled.
家が大きければ掃除が大変でしょう.
If the house is big, cleaning must be difficult.
Secondly, 何々ば can be used to express definite outcomes under specific conditions, such as general truth, natural consequences, and factual cause-effect relationships. Since universal truths are true all the time, these types of sentences are only in the known past form, never the past form. For example, 春になれば桜が咲きます.
When spring comes, the cherry blossoms bloom.
このボタンを押せば鍵が開きます.
Press this button and the door will be unlocked.
年を取れば体力が落ちるものだ.
As we get older, our physical strength declines.
Thirdly, the ba form can be used to talk about repeated actions or habits that happen under a certain condition. For example, 父は暇があれば釣りに行きます.
Whenever my father has free time, he goes fishing.
母は私の顔を見れば勉強しろと言ってくる.
Whenever my mother sees me, she tells me to study.
天気がよければ毎朝ジョギングします.
If the weather is good, I jog every morning.
子供の頃は夏休みになればよく海に行ったものだ.
When I was a child, I often went to the beach during summer vacation.
The ba form can also be used to express necessary condition. This usage emphasizes that the condition is necessary for the result to happen. It's like saying, if and only if, or on the condition that. For example, 卒業論文を出せば卒業できます。
If you submit your thesis, you can graduate.
もっと勉強すれば合格できるでしょう。
If you study more, and only if you do that, you can probably pass.
80点以上取れば合格です。
If you score 80 or more, you pass.
Lastly, the pattern 何々ばいい or 何々ばいいな is a very common and useful phrase for expressing I hope or it would be good if. For example, 明日晴れればいいな。
I hope it's sunny tomorrow.
もっと時間があればいいのに。
I wish I had more time.
Wonderful. I hope you've got a grasp of how to use 何々ば in sentences. To see how the grammar is used in conversations, please check out our videos of 10-minute Japanese.
See you all in our next session of Bonpo Workshop.